You know, I gotta say, this bike really impressed me. So, this city bike shows up for a review, and I'm thinking, great, it's snowing and it's below freezing outside. But then I realized that this could be great. I was right. This is the Tenways CGO600 Pro, and it delivered. So yeah, normally city bikes suffer in the wet and cold. I mean, that's just a fact. The spray from all the rain and the water, the rust on the drivetrain, and all your stuff getting soaked through, it's a hassle for most bikes. But the Tenways CGO600 Pro, it's a secret master of the elements. So this is actually made as a lightweight city bike with incredible quality and aesthetics. And Tenway did really good on that point. Quality-wise, the weld points are beautifully masked, and where they are shown, it's perfect. Internal routing for the cables is so great, traveling all the way up to the stem cap. This routing circumvents the battery casing, which houses the totally sleek, melt-in-the-frame, locking removable battery. Super dope. Now the color match fork with the subtle branding I personally like, and they even have another routing cap below the bottom bracket, where you might not notice, but your brain did. Now even the splitter on the frame is matched to the bike and blends in very, very well. By the way, do you know what the belt drive splitter is? Because if you do, let everyone else know in the comments and we'll all have a Merry Christmas. Now, let's get back to comparisons real quick and then move on to performance. So I've seen a lot of good looking city bikes. I did a video on the original FLX Baby Maker a long time ago, did a video on the Uniro D6 and even the Ride One Up Roadster. All of these are good and have their strengths, but as time has marched on, so does the competition. Now regarding the price point, the CGO600 Pro from Tenways, it's currently selling for $1,700, which does carry some extra quality to earn that price tag. The Tenways has the advantage of being the newest of all of them, and as far as I know there's no overstock or warehouse clearing going on, but wouldn't you know it, I like the Tenways the best. Most of these bikes have a similar 36-volt battery. In the case of the Tenways, it's a 36-volt 10 amp hour that's packed with LG cells. Now what makes it stand out is the amazing drivetrain. We're looking at the Gates carbon belt drive, a magnetic torque-based pedal assist, and a super advanced motor. Now the short version of all of this is that the bike is very smooth to pedal, feeling natural, powerful, and predictable. The long version has three parts. Number one, the pedal assist. Now Tenways is using a highly precise sensor that takes input from the rider. It measures the minute magnetic changes made by the flexes in the bike and changes that into power output for the motor. Number two is the belt drive. Now this part essentially removes regular maintenance from the drivetrain and makes it incredibly comfortable to pedal. I mean seriously, this is such a great choice because all of that junk and crap from riding in the snow and the rain doesn't affect it at all. It's a big reason why this bike performs so well in the inclement weather. Now the belt also has a name brand component guaranteed to last over 18,000 miles. So real quick, the last part, number three, it's the amazing 350 watt motor. Now while that doesn't sound terribly high compared to mountain bike output, it is a lightweight bird that can fly especially easy because this motor has some internal magic with a patented built-in clutch. I'm curious to crack it open and see what it's like, but with that lowered rolling resistance, Tenways says that their bike will provide 50% more gliding distance compared to most e-bikes. Now, I don't know if I can feel that much of a difference when I'm riding around in the winter, but I can say that this bike is incredibly light, both in riding and in actual weight. Riding on 700 by 45C tires isn't that great when making turns in the snow, but it is possible with low speed and some moderate skill. Now the CGO600 Pro is lightweight itself. With the rear rack, the battery, and the bag, I weighed it, myself, coming in at 45 pounds. Now, by the way, Tenways has this roll-up bag that can easily handle tough commutes, and I even pushed the limits by submersing it entirely in water, and it holds up. So on top of that, Tenways has an app that can track additional metrics if you want to know more than what the tiny display has to offer. All in all, the Tenways CGO600 Pro is a sleek, quality electric city bike that holds up to the pressure. I'm glad I got to try it out. If you like these videos, you can let YouTube know by clicking the button. Check out this video on a cheap dual suspension electric bike, or you can support the channel directly with this link for Patreon. I'm Mikey for Blue Monkey Bicycles, and I will see you on later.